This is a quick video on how to replace and test the throttle position sensor. We're doing this one on a Honda Rune. They have a few more issues than most bikes according to the forums, and digging into it a little bit deeper, it goes a little bit beyond the Honda Rune. It actually goes into the manufacturing of the TPS. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to replace or pull out the bolts. The bolts are frangible, which means they're kind of tamper-proof. What you got to do is you put a slit in them and use a screwdriver, or you just grind them all the way off. I chose the grind-off method. Once you grind them to a certain point, they'll actually get a little bit loose for you. You can hit them in the center with a punch, and you'll be able to get them out. By the time I'm done with it, they look kind of like that, and more than likely you're going to destroy your factory TPS by accidentally hitting it with a die grinder. Also remove the plug, and when you're done, this is your TPS. Factory Honda TPS are made by Kind. They're a electronics manufacturer for automotive products. There's actually a lot of service bulletins that have to do with these on the Honda Elements and Honda CR-Vs, and this is the exact same throttle position sensor. So we're going to go ahead and get my new aftermarket one and install it. Okay, adjustment of the factory is 0.4 to 0.6, throttle fully closed. 4.2 to 4.8, throttle fully open. We're going to set ours at 4.5 or 0.45 fully closed, and then see what it is fully open. Okay, so what you got to do is you got to get on the center wire of this throttle position sensor. I'm probably going to block it with my hands, but it's this one right here. And what you want to do is you take a paper clip with the engine off, and you sneak it between the wire and the insulation of the boot in the back. It can kind of be a pain. Try not to push it way down and ruin the connector. Takes a little bit of patience. I think I got it right there. You'll find out if you don't have it. Then you take the hot lead of your voltmeter and you connect it to the paper clip. Next step you do is you take your key and attach the other lead to ground, turn it on. You can see right now I'm at 4.46. That's because I actually already set this up, but if you were to set it up, more than likely it would be right about here on the first time. Now if you look at the voltmeter, I'm at 1.76. We need to make that read 4.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one bolt on there, we're going to slowly move it up, hit the voltmeter once, until we get 4.5. We're rotating it clockwise. We're just going to sneak up on 4.5. Doesn't have to be super exact. And once you get it there, you tighten it down. And it stayed. So when you're all said and done, what you want to do is you want to do a check. You want to see what it is fully closed. You want to see what it is fully open. I'm at 4.395, which is between the 4.2